Metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable. When we speak of gene maps and gene mapping, we use a cartographic metaphor. An example: figure of speech, figurative expression, image, trope, allegory, parable, analogy, comparison, symbol, emblem, word painting, word picture, literally conceit. From Greek metaphora, from the verb metapherein. Pherein, it means to bring into the light, as well as the Latin ferro fer stuli latum ferre, that means to bring, but in the meaning of bring to the presence. It means that it bring it to the vision. As well, it means the contrary, the opposite. It means to bring it to the light, and the light is not here, because the light is the world of the mind, so the noetic cosmos, what Kant called noumeno. So it is metapherein. It means to bring across the border, so to expropriate, to bring into the other world, in another world. So it means that when we talk, when we say something, we always use words that already exist. And these words are always hypertextual. What does it mean? Hypertextual, it means that they pertain, that they are owned by another text that is not here, that is not visible, not phenomenal. So any word we use, it is a trajectory to another world. So metapherein is to bring across the border, so to bring beyond, so to escape the real, to come into the true real, what Plato called the world of ideas. Why I'm talking about metaphora? Because it is actually the first step into the initiation of a mind into the knowledge, the understanding of how logical thought works. So it means that if you need to think about something, or to think in general, you need to follow logical rules. Your logic rules are, in a way, the structure mirror, the mirror of something else. So you cover this structure, this form, with words or with numbers, like in mathematics, or with symbols, like in painting or in geometry, and at the end, in the fundamentally, on the basis of it, there is a structure. This structure is the pure thinking, is absolutely intellectual. So it is part of another world, of the noetic world. So always, anything we say, we are using a metaphor. The difference is between to be conscious of this use or unconscious. So consciousness is to understand that we are jumping between two worlds, that we are crossing borders in and out, and that this is what Hegel called dialectic movement. So we jump into the negative, we come back, we jump, we come back. There is never a definitely a staying into a world, but our world is made of a mixture. I'm not able to say mixture